Hey learners, welcome to my channel guys. This is Pranshi Verma and in today's YouTube session we will going to learn marketing management services, marketing multiple choice question and answer for your examination and this is part 1. Okay. So guys, इस सब्जेक्ट में हम मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट सब्जेक्ट से मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर कवर करने वाले हैं. सो दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशन. लेट्स बिगिन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज services marketing become difficult because of option A, intangibility, option B, no demand, option C, more complex market, option D, difficult to enter the market. Right option is option A, intangibility. Next question, which of the following businesses would be characterized as a pure service? Option A, insurance, option B, farming, option C, mining, option D, there is no such things as a pure service. Right answer is option D. There is no such things as a pure service. Next question. Which of the following statements about the pricing of services compared to the pricing of goods is false? Option A. The demand for services tends to be more elastic than the demand for goods. Option B. Cost-oriented pricing is more difficult for services. Option C. Comparing prices of competitors is more difficult for service consumers. Option D. Consumers are less able to stockpile services by taking advantage of discount price. Right answer here is option B. Cost-oriented pricing is more difficult for services. Next question. Charging customers different prices for essentially the same services is called option A. Price discrimination, option B, supply and demand, option C, complementary, option D, substitutes. Right answer is option A, price discrimination. Next question, results in the practices of two narrowly defining one's business. Option A, services marketing, option B, marketing management, option C, marketing myopia, option D, customer experience. Right answer is option C, marketing myopia. Okay. Next question. A buyer's perception of value is considered a trade-off between option A, product value and physical cost, option B, total customer value and total customer cost, option C, image value and energy cost, option D, service value and monetary cost. The right answer here is option D, service value and monetary cost. Next question. Services are characterized by all the following characteristics except for option A, intangibility, option B, homogeneity, option C, perishability, option D, inseparability. Right answer is option B, homogeneity. Next question. Of the four unique service characteristics that distinguish goods for services, that one that is primary source of the other three characteristics is option A, intangibility, option B, inseparability, option C, perishability, option D, heterogeneity. Right answer is option A, intangibility. Next question. Services that occur without interruption, confusion or hassle to the customer is called option A, seamless service, option B, service audit, option C, functional service, option D, departmental service. Right answer is option A, seamless service. Next question. The mental energy spent by customers to acquire services referred to as option A, image cost, option B, monetary price, option C, energy cost, option D, physical cost. Right answer is option C, energy cost. Next question. The unique service characteristics that reflects the interconnection between the service firm and its customer is called option A, intangibility, option D, inseparability, option C, homogeneity, option D, perishability. Right answer is option B, inseparability. Next question. Marketing problems caused by inseparability includes all of the following except for option A, the service provides a physical connection to the service, option B, the involvement of the customer in the production process, option C, service standardization and quality control are difficult to achieve, option D, the involvement of other customers in the production process. Right answer is option C, service standardization and quality control are difficult to achieve. Next question. Which of the following statement pertain is inseparability is false? Option A. As customer content increases, the efficiency of the firm decreases. Option B. Customers can affect the type of service desired. Option C. Customers can affect the length of the service transactions. Option D. Customer can affect the cycle of demand. Cycle of demand. Right answer is option A. And as customer contact increase, the efficiency of the firm decreases. Next question. The centralized mass production of services is difficult due to option A. Inseparability. Option B. Intangibility. Option C. Homogeneity. Option D. Perishability. Right answer is option B. Perishability. Okay. Next question. Solution used to minimize the marketing problems attributed to heterogeneity include option A. Standardizing or customizing the service. Option B. Using multi-site locations. Option C. Stressing tangible clues. Option D. Appealing to different market segments with different demand patterns. Right answer option A. Standardizing or customizing the service. Next question. The unique service characteristics that deals specifically with the inability to inventory services. Option A. Inseparability. Option B. Intangibility. Option C. Homogeneity. Option D. Perishability. Right answer is option D. Perishability. Next question. Which of the following strategies increase the supply of service available to consumers? Option A. The use of creative pricing strategies. Option B. The use of reservation system. Option C. Capacity sharing. Option D. Developing complementary service. Right answer is option B. The use of reservation system. Next question. Customer satisfaction can be defined by comparing option A. Predicted service and perceived services. Option B. Predicted service and desired service. Option C. Desired service and perceived service. Option D. Adequate service and perceived service. Right answer is option C. Desired service and perceived service. Next question. The demand strategy in which service providers utilize their downtime by marketing to different segments but different demand patterns is associated with which of the following? Option A. The use of creative pricing strategies. Option B. The use of reservation system. Option C. Capacity sharing. Option D. Developing complementary services. Right answer is option C. Capacity sharing. Next question. The blank space. Dimensional is an assessment of the firm's consistency and dependability in service performance. Option A. Empathy. Option B. Responsiveness. Option C. Assurance. Option D. Reliability. Right answer is option D. Reliability. Next question. What is the following would not be considered a tangible clue? Option A. The appearance of employees. Option B. The appearance of the firm's. Option B. The appearance of the firm's physical facilities. Option C. The smile on an employer's face. Option D. The quality of instruction in an educational setting. Right answer is option D. The quality of instruction in an educational setting. Minimizing the amount of role conflict and role ambiguity experienced by employees will help reduce the size of this gap is known as, this is important question guys, option A. Knowledge gap. Option B. Standards gap. Option C. Delivery gap. Option D. Communications gap. Right answer is option C. Delivery gap. Next question. Fixing the right price for services offered is difficult because of option A. Perishability. Option B. Heterogeneity. Option C. Inseparability. Option D. Intangibility. Right answer is option D. Intangibility. Question number 24. The world's largest industry in the private sector and highest projected generator of jobs is option A. The hospitality industry. Option B. Health services. Option C. Professional services. Option D, business services. Right answer is option D, business services. Next question. Focusing the firm's marketing efforts towards the existing customer base is called option A, excellent customer service. Option B, consequent retention. Option C, customer retention. Option D, quarter's retention. Right answer is option C, customer retention. Next question. The pursuit of new customers as opposed to the retention of existing ones is called option A, services marketing. Option B, business to business marketing. Option C, conquest marketing. Option D, consumer marketing. Right answer is option C, conquest marketing. Next question. The consumer decision process consists of option A, stimulus, problem awareness and purchase stages. Option B, pre-purchase, consumptions and post-purchase stages. Option C, problem awareness, evaluation of alternatives and post-purchase behavior. Option D, stimulus, information search and post-purchase behavior. Right answer is option B, pre-purchase, consumption and post-purchase stages. Next question. Which of the following statement is not true? Option A, service purchases are perceived as riskier than goods purchases. Option B, the participation of the consumer in the service process increase the amount of perceived risk. Option C, the variability in services increase the perceived risk associated with the purchase. Option D, consumers of services has less pre-purchase information versus goods. Right answer is option B, the participation of the consumers in the service process increase the amount of perceived risk. Next question. Service consumers tend to be more brand loyal than goods consumers because option A, more choices are available. Option B, brand loyalty lowers the amount of perceived risk. Option C, each services provider provides many brands. Option D, location of the provider is the major driver in the consumer selection process. Right answer is option B, brand loyalty lowers the amount of perceived risk. Next question. Competitor intelligence should be gathered. Option A, once a year. Option B, twice a year. Option C, continuously. Option D, when competition is more. Right answer is option C, continuously. Next question. Which of the following is not a benefit of customer satisfaction? Options are option A, the firm is more insulated from peace competition. Option B, the firm provides a positive work environment for its employees. Option C, positive word of mouth is generated from satisfied customers. Option D, satisfied customers make purchases more frequently. Right answer is option B, the firms provide a positive work environment for its employees. Okay. Next question, question 32. The service industry has several emerging trends the organizations need to be aware of. Which of these should organizations keep a lookout for? Option A, new competitors entering the marketplace. Option B, advances in the internet. Option C, heightened customer expectations. Option D, advances in e-commerce. Right answer is option A, new competitors entering the marketplace. Next question. The zone of tolerance is defined by the difference between option A, expected service and desired service. Option B, predicted service and desired service. Option C, desired service and educated service. Option D, predicated service and perceived service. Right answer is option D, predicated service and perceived service. Next question. Customers ultimately determines the services by option A, the type of competitors. Option B, the level of marketing effectiveness and operational efficiency. Option C, the cycle of fluctuations. Option D, the price of the competitors. Right answer is option B, the level of marketing effectiveness and operational efficiency. Next question, question number 35. During a service recovery effort, the employee promptly refunded the customer's money but threw the money at the customers. As a result, the recovery effort violated the customer blank space justice need. Option A. Interactional. Option B. Ethical. Option C. Social. Option D. Procedural. Right answer is option C. Social. Next question. Soft technologies refers to option A. Flexible rules that can be bent to meet customer needs. Option B. The personal touches that ultimately lead to customer satisfaction. Option C. Guidelines that permit employee empowerment. Option D. Hardware that facilitates the production of a standardized. Right answer is option B. The personal touches that ultimately lead to customer satisfaction. The blank space is calculated by dividing the activity time by the number of locations at which the activity is performed. Option A. Services cost per meal. Option B. Maximum output per hour. Option C. Process time. Option D. Activity time. Right answer is option C. Process time. Next question. Which of the following is not a step in the construction process of a service blueprint? Option A. Option A. Obtaining a script from both customers and employees. Option B. Segmenting customers based on the content of the script. Option C. Identify a step in the process where the system can go away. Option D. Calculating the time frame for the service execution. Right answer is option C. Identify a step in the process where the system can go away. Next question. A volume-oriented positioning strategy is achieved by option A. Reducing divergence. Option B. Increasing complexity. Option C. Reducing complexity. Option D. Increasing divergence. Right option is option D. Increasing divergence. Next question. A buyer's perception of value is considered a trade-off between option A. Product value and physical cost. Option B. Total customer value and total customer cost. Option C. Image value and energy cost. Option D. Service value and monetary cost. Right answer is option D. Service value and monetary cost. Next question. Total customer value consists of all of the following components except option A. Product value. Option B. Service value. Option C. Image value. Option D. Personal value. Right answer is option D. Personal value. Next question. Total customer cost consists of all of the following components except option A. Monetary cost. Option B. Social cost. Option C. Time cost. Option D. Energy cost. Right answer is option B. Social cost. Next question. Which of the following statements about the pricing of services compared to the pricing of goods is false? Option A. The demand for services tends to be more elastic than the demand for goods. Option B. Cost-oriented pricing is more difficult for services. Option C. Comparing peers of competitors is more difficult for services consumers. Option D. Self-services is a viable competitive alternative. Right answer is option D. Self-service is a viable competitive alternative. Next question. Blank space is a firm view towards planning its operations according to market needs. Option A. Marketing orientation. Option B. Marketing functions. Option C. Marketing department. Option D. Marketing forecast. Right answer is option A. Marketing orientation. Next question. Which of the following is not a criterion for effective price discrimination? Option A. The segment should be identifiable and a mechanism must exist to price them differently. Option B. Different group of consumers should have similar response to price. Option C. Segment should be large enough to be profitable. Option D. Incremental revenue should exceed incremental cost. Right answer is option B. Different group of consumers should have similar response to price. Next question. Services firms often find themselves in a three-concerned fight between option A. Engineering, production and accounting. Option B. Marketing, finance and human resources. Option C. Operations, accounting and marketing. Option D. Human resources, marketing and operations. Right answer is option D. Human resources, marketing and operations. Next question. Customer frustrations resulting from receiving poor services most similar to option A. Image costs. Option B. Monetary price. Option C. Energy cost. Option D. Physic cost. Right answer is option D. Physic cost. Next question. Among many services, the demand for medical services tends to be option A. Inelastic. Option B. Elastic. Option C. Substitute demand. Option B. Price cross elastic demand. Right answer is option A. Inelastic. Next question. Customer competencies can be described as option A. Consumer expectations pertaining to the service delivery process and the final outcome. Option B. Customer perceptions regarding the quality of the outcome. Option C. Customer abilities that enables them to properly evaluate the service space. Option D. The ability to interact effectively with others. Right answer is option C. Customer abilities that enable them to properly evaluate the service space. Question number 50. Costs that are planned and are incurred during the operating period regardless of the level of production and sales are called option A. Direct variable cost. Option B. Fixed cost. Option C. Average cost. Option D. Marginal cost. Right answer is option B. Fixed cost. Okay guys, now let's find out this lecture. It's included 50 questions about marketing services. I hope आज का lecture आपको समझ में आया होगा. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye bye. See you in the next lecture.